Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I am Danny. In this video, I'm going to make a Colombian recipe. So, come here to learn how to prepare. The ingredients are 1 chicken breast, 1 cup, potatoes, papaya, nevada, and curry, a little cilantro, 2 3 or garlic, a little salt, and a little pepper. To start, we cook the chicken in a pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Then we peel and cut the potatoes, the garlic into cubes and chop the cilantro finely and cut the cup. Then remove the chicken from the pressure cooker. Then we pour water into the pot and add the ingredients, the potatoes, the garlic and the cove, add salt and pepper and stir and cook over high heat for 30 minutes. While the ingredients are cooking, share the chicken. Finally, when the recipe is ready, we serve on a plate with the chicken and finally decorate with coriander. And we have the ajiaco.